After setting up audio, you can set up a camera to show your face while teaching. When setting up a camera from the OBS template provided, look in the Sources tab. Select the cam source and double-click or right-click to open Properties. Either way, this will open a window where you can select your camera from the Device drop-down menu. Click OK and your camera will be active. You can reveal and hide your camera by clicking the eye icon in the Sources tab. If you want to set up a camera from scratch or add another camera, go to the Sources tab and click the plus sign in the bottom left corner. Select the option called Video Capture Device. You can name your input device here and click OK. Select your camera and click OK. Resize the display on your screen by right-clicking your mouse. Select Transform and click on Fit to Screen. You can also crop the window you'd like to display by holding down an Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC and dragging your mouse. When recording video, make sure you're in a room with good lighting. If you're finding that your camera is still too dark, you can go into the settings to adjust the brightness. To do this, double-click your camera in the Sources tab or right-click and select Properties. Underneath the Device drop-down menu, there's an option called Configure Video. Here, you can adjust the camera's settings such as brightness or contrast. When you're done adjusting the settings, select Apply to confirm the changes and click OK.